My sister Catherine and I were with our mum Ania when she was diagnosed with acute myeloid leukemia, or AML. It was a huge shock when she was diagnosed after a routine blood test. She was initially told she only had 4 weeks to live. We couldn't believe this when she looked and felt so well. We found it really challenging to watch mum face a terminal prognosis. While her initial treatment achieved remission from the leukemia, we knew she could relapse at any time. We felt like we had time against us. We were looking for hope. As mum said, a dying cancer patient wants to live with hope that there is potentially something around the corner and not be told there is nothing else. We knew about clinical trials and that there were treatment options available, but we didn't really know where to start or how to find them. Through a colleague, I contacted Professor Andrew Way, the lead of ALLG's AML 26 Intercept trial. He put us in touch with Dr. Sun Lu, an incredible haematologist and researcher with ALLG. Dr. Sun got mum onto the screening pathway for the Intercept trial straight away. Mum wanted to enrol so she would have an option ready to go once she relapsed. AML is so aggressive, so we knew this was coming, and mum relapsed just a month later. Mum started the Intercept trial and got access to the new treatment drug. It was so new that it still had a code name, SNDX5613. This treatment worked incredibly well, giving mum an extra 4 months of quality life where she looked and felt well with good energy levels. Mum was a huge believer in clinical trials and research. She knew that the only way that new, better drugs become available to patients is through clinical trials. Her mantra with the trial team was to use her and take whatever they could. She had nothing to lose. This used to make everyone laugh, especially when it came to bone marrow biopsies. What mum was searching for was not only hope, but maybe the thought that her body, her bone marrow, or her blood may provide that missing link or puzzle piece that confirms the potential success of a trial drug. Mum's journey with AML ended in February 2025. She ultimately had 5 lines of treatment, including accessing 3 clinical trials. I truly believe that each trial prolonged her life, and together they gave us all an extra 17 months of precious time with mum. I'm very passionate about increasing awareness of clinical trials and how they can benefit a person and medicine in general. Mum wanted to help as many people as possible with her participation in clinical trials. So I've made it my mission to get the message out about clinical trials so people can have the knowledge that there are other options. The ALLG gave something really precious to mum. The Intercept trial gave her the hope she was looking for. She knew that her cancer journey was contributing to science and the future of AML treatments, and her wish was that one day, every AML patient would know their cancer could be cured. That's mum's legacy. We're so proud of her and thankful to all the wonderful researchers and trial professionals out there working to ensure better treatments and better lives for people just like our mum.